can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me, holy snowshoe. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus has come to town? Santa Claus has come to town. Have you wrote your list? Check it up for good. Hurry down the chimney tonight. I wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby. I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you.
Some spots in the Northeast and New England will see the most snow they have seen in years from Winter Storm Gale. This low that's tracking up the coast means that some spots in the Mid-Atlantic and in the Northeast, you're going to transition from snowflakes at first on the north side of that low, then eventually to rain. But these are the areas we're focusing in on with the most impacts. It's going to be across parts of central Pennsylvania, stretching all the way into portions of New York, as well as New Jersey. Those purple areas are the greatest areas of impacts because we are expecting some really heavy snow bands to develop. We're also looking at the possibility of ice through the Piedmont of North Carolina and into western Virginia. That's where you have the potential of ice with this system. Now watch what happens as this low scoots north. Like I said, you get snow that transitions possibly into some freezing rain and then into rain on the south side of the low, eventually in places like Baltimore and Washington. But what about into New England and the Northeast? You're really looking at that snow all the way through Thursday afternoon, and those bands could get really heavy at times. It looks like one or two could dump a few inches just in a very short amount of time. The wind gusts are another thing that we're watching with this very impactful winter storm. So it's not just inches and inches of snow that we're concerned with. It is going to be a lighter snow, which is good, not as heavy, but the winds could contribute more so to power outages. And of course, ice is always a concern for that as well. There are some of your totals. Of course, the higher elevations are looking a lot more in the way of snowfall, but still, I mean, 12 to 18 inches possible in places like Albany, Hartford. You can see up to a foot, even Newark, up to a foot of snow in your forecast.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, if it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold.